Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn C programming language for beginners. First, let's understand why C is so important. It's a foundational language powering operating systems and embedded systems. To begin, you'll need a C compiler like GCC and a text editor. Many integrated development environments, or IDE, combine these tools for convenience. Once set up, you can write your very first program, typically a Hello World application, to confirm everything is working correctly. Next, we dive into the core concepts of C. You'll learn about different data types such as integers, floats, and characters, and how to declare variables to store them. Operators allow you to perform calculations and comparisons. Control flow statements like if else and switch guide your program's decisions, while loops, such as for and while, enable repetitive tasks. Functions are crucial for breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable pieces, improving code readability and reusability. Now let's tackle one of C's most powerful features: pointers. Pointers are variables that store memory addresses, allowing direct manipulation of data. This concept is fundamental for efficient memory management. You'll learn to allocate memory dynamically using functions like malloc and release it with free, preventing memory leaks. Arrays and strings are also essential. An array is a collection of elements of the same type, and strings are simply arrays of characters, terminated by a null character. Finally, we move to more advanced topics and crucial practice. Structures and unions allow you to group different data types into a single unit, which is incredibly useful for complex data representation. File input/output, or I/O, enables your programs to interact with files on your computer. The best way to solidify your understanding is by working on small projects. Consistent practice, along with debugging your code, will significantly enhance your C programming skills over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.